New parent shortcut. White noise can help babies calm down, but safety matters. First, keep the volume low. White noise should sound like a running shower, not a vacuum. Second, place the sound source at least 7 feet away from your baby, not inside the crib. Third, use white noise for sleep and calming, not all day long. Quiet time matters too. Shortcut. Use a sound machine with a timer or low volume setting so it turns off automatically. If you notice your baby startle less, sleep better, and feed well, you are using it correctly. Save this for later and follow for one newborn shortcut a day.